In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see someone else's recent sales history on eBay. This can be a useful skill if you're looking to gain insights into a seller's activity, or if you're keeping an eye on how certain items are performing in the market. Let's dive in and take you through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account, open your web browser and navigate to the eBay website. Once you're there, simply click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on register and following the on-screen instructions. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to go directly to the seller's profile, whose recent sales history you're interested in. To do this, you'll want to use the search bar at the top of the eBay homepage. Instead of searching for an item, type in the seller's username and press enter. This should take you to their profile page, where you can see an overview of their activity on the platform. Once you're on the seller's profile, you'll notice a list of items they currently have for sale. This list gives you a snapshot of what the seller is offering, but our focus today is on their sold items. So let's make sure you know how to view that specific list. On the left side of the page, you'll find a panel with various filtering options. Scroll down this panel until you see the option labeled Show Only. This is where you can refine your search to find exactly what you're looking for. Within the Show Only section, there's a checkbox for sold items. Click on this checkbox. This action will refresh the list of items you see and instead display items that the seller has recently sold. This is the key step to unlocking a wealth of information about the seller's recent transactions. After clicking Sold Items, you'll now have a view of all the items the seller has sold recently. By examining this list, you can deduce trends in what the seller deals in and get a sense of how quickly their items are moving. This insight is especially valuable if you're considering similar items for your own buying or selling strategies. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through eBay to see a seller's recent sales history. This method is simple and effective, allowing you to keep tabs on market activity and adjust your own buying or selling tactics accordingly. Thank you for watching and happy eBaying.